You are going to love the 2026 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Rediscover the joy of driving.